Hey y'all, it's your girl Chenaveaujanae back with another video. So as you see by the title of this video, yes, I did try out the what waist trainer. So I just wanted to show you guys how it works while I'm working out. I know this video is not like my normal with talking about my hair, but I'm gonna have plenty of more videos on that. But today I'm gonna focus on me working out because I've gained some weight and I'm tired of feeling like I'm just sluggish and stuff. So I really want to get my workout routines in. So with that being said, I am going to be using the what waist trainer. So this sweatband is actually high quality latex material, and it also have adjustable straps for added definition as well. And also I love the fact that you can actually zip in this up. I did get the size XXL. How I measure which one to get, they actually go by I believe they go by your height and also how much you weigh. I've been using this in my workout routine and I love it because it actually gives me a whole lot of sweat. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I work out with this, and I'm just going to be putting it on and we're going to get this workout routine started. Okay y'all, so I'm just going to start off by putting this waistband on. So this waist trainer does run small, but that is okay. You do not want to size down, as if you do, it will not fit you right. So you just want to make sure that you do have the correct sizing. So as you see here, it is kind of difficult for me to zip up, but again, as time go by and as I wear it more often, it actually will make it more easier for me to put on. So now I'm just going to be putting on the compression straps and we're going to go ahead and get it started. So I am not trained or skilled or anything, but I do know how to work out. So don't come for me if I'm doing something wrong. But anyways, I am definitely tired. I ain't barely went too long, but look, we're going to start again. So now I'm just working on my legs. We're going to get them thighs rolling. So as I'm doing this workout, I am going to be feeling the compression. I love the fact that this has a great back support and also it does not roll. Some of the waistbands that I have used previously actually rolled up, and it was because the way my body was shaped. But as I'm working out here, I actually see that it does not roll up. And I have a long torso. I'm also tall. I'm 5'11". So with that being said, this actually fills my whole abdominal area, which is dope. With this sweatband, I feel that it would be great for after you even give birth because it does have a high compression for water weight control. I know I have kids before and sometimes it was actually hard for me to get that water weight down, so I feel that this will be an ideal thing to have in your workout routine. So this is the ending of the video. I just want to show you guys the sweat that I do have. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, go ahead and check in my description box for more information, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and God bless.